Welcome to your 10-minute meditation. Get yourself nice and comfortable. And as we close our eyes, we've already begun. And now I invite you to picture a beautiful, quiet beach with soft golden sand, a deep blue sky, the warm sun on its journey towards the horizon, waves breaking gently on the shore. You're resting on this beautiful beach, on your favorite blanket or towel, or by yourself. There's nobody around as far as the eye can see. It's so very quiet, very peaceful. You can hear the waves gently lapping against the shore. Some birds faintly singing in the distance. But there's nothing else to hear. It's so peaceful as you lay here and just relax. The temperature is perfect. The sun is softly shining. There are little fluffy clouds in the sky. You feel a gentle breeze caressing your skin as you breathe in and as you breathe out, relaxing in this place. This special place just for you. You can hear the sound of the waves gently breaking on the shore, the soft rhythm, soothing, relaxing. As your breath flows in and your breath flows out, becoming more aware now of the soft light of the sun as it dips lower in the sky. It's a very gentle light, a very peaceful light, a golden and loving light shining gently. You get a sense that it's a very kind light that brings you a feeling of peace, and the light brings healing. In this place of deep peace, in this kind and gentle light, there's a sense of being completely accepted. And here you're free to rest, to relax, and just to be. So for the next few minutes, maybe you'll just allow that beautiful light to flow over you and into you. Into your body. Into your mind. Wherever that light is needed the most. And if your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay, because that's what the mind does. Then as you notice your mind has wandered, just gently bring it back to this place. This perfect beach. And this beautiful light. Bringing healing and peace deep within you. Your breathing is calm. The waves are gentle. And the light shining onto you and into you, from your head down to your toes. Gently uplifting you. Healing you. Bringing you energy. And giving you a deep, deep peace. You feel so relaxed. And as we come to the end of our time together, you're welcome to stay here as long as you like, resting, relaxing, and bathing in this beautiful, peaceful light. And I'm sending you peace. I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.